Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Charles is wondering how to change the rear bucket on one of these case backhoes. So the way I do it, I have the boom extended out like this and pretty much down on the ground. That way it doesn't, go anywhere, go flying, hurt somebody. But all these case backhoes, they got this dog bone thing, whatever it's called. It's got this hook on here. You leave this pin in here. That pin stays in there all the time. I actually have one in each one of my buckets. This pin here, that's the one you remove. There's like a bushing inside here. It looks goofy, but it's not going anywhere. I thought this stuff would all fall apart. It doesn't. So I'll pull that apart and show you how to change it. So I don't really have a decent snap ring plier set, so I just got this fella right here. And I kind of have a history of snap rings anyways. So I'm just jamming it in between there. Sure, it's gonna fight me.
2 hours later.
So you guys know, this thing is fighting me, and I don't know if I got grease on it or what, but this is the second time I did this. The first time, it came right off. I should really invest in a decent set of snap ring pliers, but they could definitely have an easier way to do this, because I doubt people are going to enjoy doing this out in the dirt and the mud and the, out in the job site. Hey, I think I got it on the run. Now I better hold on to it, otherwise it's going to go flying. And it's as easy as that. Now with that out of the way, there shouldn't be much pressure on here. You might have to lift on the bucket a little bit. And then it comes out. It's easier to get this pin out if you have it up off the ground and kind of get everything neutral. And you should just be able to push that pin out. See, I don't have it quite right, but it's close. But then it tends to do not good stuff when you set it down. So, there I got it out. Like, come over here, dear.
Stuck on Mac.
Alright, so I got that out now. Now that you got your hands all nice and greasy.
Now you have to pee.
I don't know if you guys heard that.
Your nose.
Now that you got your hands all nice and greasy and you're out of paper towels, you got to go get your machine all dirty. I'm gonna clean my hand off real quick, and then I'll show you taking this off. Well, cleaner-ish. So I'm gonna have my camera lady stand about here and kind of show you what's going on. And
That's all I am to you.
well, you're being kind of a pain right now. So kind of focus in here, dear. No, over here. It's been a while since I ran the machine, so hopefully I do a decent job and I don't drop the pin in the dirt. looks like with the bucket off. All this stuff still moves just fine. Then you go to your other bucket. And you just kind of slip that in there. Start extending it. And if you do it right, you just lift the bucket up. And you go the right way with the controls instead of the wrong way. You get it pretty close. If you get it close enough, all you got to do is rock the bucket a little bit. And then it fights you. In there. Just like that, it's in. Then you take your snap ring and you fight that thing back on. Then once you're good and mad, it's time to go back to work and hit some stuff underground. That'll make your day. Well guys, hopefully this helps somebody out, because I couldn't find much information on this without just doing it. Thanks for watching. Join me next time. Take care, and God bless. Charles is wondering how to change the bucket on these case skid steers.
It's not a skid steer, it's a backhoe.
Take two. Wait. What did I say? Seriously. You can't make this up. You want to run them?